Welcome to a journey through the realm of nutrition, where we'll delve into the world of Paratha, its enticing flavors, its impact on your body, and explore alternatives that keep you feeling vibrant and energized. Behold, the Paratha, a culinary delight celebrated for its golden crispy exterior and its ability to complement a variety of dishes. But beyond its allure lies a deeper story, one of nutritional significance. Let's dissect the nutritional facts. Parathas, though delicious, are often high in calories, predominantly from carbohydrates and fats. While they provide a quick burst of energy, excessive consumption can lead to unwelcome outcomes. Indulging too frequently in parathas may leave you feeling sluggish, bloated, and could contribute to health issues such as elevated cholesterol levels and digestive discomfort. However, fear not, within the realm of nutrition, there exist bountiful alternatives that not only tantalize your taste buds, but also nourish your body in ways that promote vitality and well-being. Enter the domain of whole grain rotti or chapati, lower in calories, yet rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. These alternatives offer sustained energy and a feeling of fullness without the guilt. Enhance your culinary repertoire with an array of nutrient-packed vegetables and lean proteins such as grilled chicken or tofu. These additions not only elevate the flavor profile of your meals, but also serve as pillars of strength for your overall health. Remember, every bite you take shapes your well-being. Choose wisely, fuel your body with goodness, and revel in the joy of nourishing yourself from within. As we conclude our exploration, let's embark together on a journey toward healthier choices and vibrant living. Bon appétit!